guys, just to let you know, one of my speakers has a fault on it. The bottom and mid-range frequencies have an issue. Yeah, what's up guys? I'm just outside Richer Sounds in Bromley and I'm just about to get some work done on my speaker. Alright, I'm in Richer Sounds in Bromley, just about to work on the speaker. I'm here with Jermaine and yeah, let's see how this progresses. So it's either gonna work or ain't gonna work. What do you reckon, guys?
It's gonna work.
Yeah?
So at the moment, all I've done here is I've just loosened up the frame, just so we're getting ready so we can take out the driver and take out the tweeter and then replace it with the new unit which you got here directly from America.
Okay.
So at the moment, all I'm doing is I'm just securing it just so it doesn't fall, doesn't drop, and then obviously I'll tape it to the side just so we've got this so it doesn't scratch or do anything to the grille of your unit. So it might look a little bit strange, but nothing here is damaging or affecting. There's actually no pressure on your grille whatsoever there, so you've got nothing to worry about in terms of breakage or anything like that.
Okay.
And I just like you being aware of what I'm doing while I'm doing it, just so you know you don't look like, what's this guy doing? Has he ever done this before?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, reassurance. I like that.
So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's good to understand this, guys, and if you're taking on any courses, doing any electronics, etc. This is the stuff. This is what you need to know about. Yeah, and make sure you got the right tools to do the right job. Yeah.
Yes, for sure. So that's that. Let's just get this to slide around the edge. Okay, guys. So I'm in the process of undoing the new driver now as we speak. Hopefully Tommy has got the right one. Otherwise, we're going to be a little bit ruined here. So yeah, let's have a look.
Fingers crossed, guys. I got the right one. What do you reckon?
There we go, and it looks identical to the one that we have just removed.
Okay, so it's a good look, guys, so far.
Just to confirm, we have exactly the same model on both of these units.
Oh, that's great, that's great. Yeah. That's good. I was worried there, guys. I was worried. I ain't gonna lie to you, I was worried.
Alright, so we're in on here. We're in on here. Now it's the fun part of putting everything back together and testing it. Now we're going back to putting the drivers in. I didn't mean the tweeter, my apologies. So now we're tweetering again.
Alright guys, demonstration of the speaker after it's gone through maintenance. Yeah, let me know, guys, what you think. Yeah, I like that.
There's no hiss no more, there's no loss of sound.
Yeah.
It's all clean again now.
Yeah, brilliant. I've got to give my man here, Jermaine, a thumbs up, man. Jermaine, yeah?
No worries, man.
Richer Sounds, Bromley, guys, you know where to come, yeah? Don't hesitate, just make sure you come here. And there's a sale on at the moment, yeah? You can see, look, yeah? Save yourself some money, get yourself down here, get yourself a gift. For the family, for yourself, for whoever, just make sure you get here, yeah? Alright, take it easy. Cool. Guys, you know what to do. Tap in for more to this channel.
Thanks for coming in.
Sorry, man. I'm grateful. I'd always come and show love where love's been given back.
Perfect.
Yeah? Alright guys, gonna sign out, yeah? Take it easy. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you for watching the last video. To finish the process, the next video will be on buy wiring. Guys, it's so important to know how to buy wire your speakers. So device, speaker, device. Simple as that. Guys, tap in for more. Big shout out to Jermaine. Big shout out to Richer Sounds. Hey!